What is going on, guys? So I leave for Florida in less than 10 days. For you guys, it's gonna be like 7 days or 6 days, I don't know. So the one thing I have to get done, which I forgot I had to do this, was get my car inspected before I go. Now, I don't leave, my inspection's not done until July, and it's May. I don't wanna get pulled over as soon as I get back to Pennsylvania from Florida, so I gotta get it done now. And I'm not really sure if you can get it done 2 months in advance. And I definitely slept past my alarm today, but we're gonna go try and see if we can. I don't know where you guys live, but it's been like super cold this last week. I think yesterday I was a high of 45. Today the high is like 52. It's been raining all week. I haven't been able to take pictures. I've been super busy, so it hasn't been a fun time. Man, I really don't know my Lexus is at all. I don't think it's an LFA. It's definitely not an LFA, but there's a really cool Lexus that's that way. And I drove by and the guy looked at me, and the car is sick, and I kind of want him to drive by so I can film it, but I want to be discreet about it because I feel like it's weird just, filming people's cars. It was a really nice car. I've seen everyone complaining about gas prices in California. It's like $6. I still think this is expensive. I can afford a $6 a gallon gas. I remember when I first got my car, it used to take $30 to fill it up. My gas light wasn't even on. I had 33 miles left and it was almost like 40. Gas, go down please, in summertime soon. I don't know how much gas is in Florida. I'll be in Florida soon. I hope the gas is cheaper there, but I really doubt it is. Oh, look at that hot boy right there with the blue wheels. I gotta tell you, this tune makes all the difference now. Kinda wish I recorded that. I just came into the highway, on the entrance ramps, and I was probably around 4,500 RPM in first gear because I'm fucking reckless like that. But as soon as I slammed it, man, I took off and I was at 60 in no time. This car is so much more fun now. It's much more drivable. It was already a fun car, but this tune, it is so much more fun now. There's so much construction going on right now, and I really hope that my shop is still open because all this construction is in front of their shop. I guess we're gonna, find out. So they were open today, but they don't have anything until Friday, and I really hope they can finish before I have work on Friday. So step one is done, I guess, because yeah. Now step 2 of this video, or part 2 of this video, is why you guys probably clicked on the video. I need to find a parking garage now. I think I know where one is, but I just hope I can actually get into it because college might be in session right now for some people. I'm not really sure, so we're gonna go find out now. So this is the college that I originally went to, like a community college, and they definitely have gates in front of the entire parking garage. They definitely have gates in front of everything. And I'm not sure if I can just go in there and get out. It's kind of unfortunate, but I have an idea. You guys don't understand the struggle of having ample parking everywhere you go and not having parking garages anywhere when you want to record in a parking garage for something. There's not one parking garage that I really know of that's not in a college or in a business complex, and all of the ones in the college you need a card key to get in, and all the ones in the business complex, well, it's a business complex for a drug company, and I don't really want to go snooping around in their parking garages because I feel like they're gonna call the cops on me. And then when work is over, they lock everything up at night anyways, so you can't even get in. It's a struggle, guys. The geese always be posting up. They got reinforcements. This place is crazy. I swear it's goose season. At the 2 spots, there's usually geese, mad geese. They're flying around, they're soaring, it's crazy. I'm going to tag where I got this from because this is something I did not know about my tune at all when I got it. It makes sense looking at it. I just never thought of it myself. Wherever I put the guy's Instagram tag, I did not think with my popcorn tune that if I would just rev it out, when I'm just sitting here and do some rev skis, it would pop. Now that's why I was looking for a parking garage, because how cool would it have been because of echoes and loud and shit. So I'm in the back of a parking lot that's outside. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy because I want, we gotta get some pops out here. I'm trying to get some cool effects going on for this video. I'm sorry if you guys didn't like the whole beginning of the video, but Papa needs some watch time too. So we're gonna put this on tripod, put it outside, do some rev skis so I can show off some more of my pops. can't tell me that's not the most satisfying thing in the world. Now that's obviously why I wanted to go in a parking garage, because it would have been so much louder and so much echoer, and it would have been fucking badass. But you know, we got parking spots around here, we got parking lots, and we got parking garages. I hope that was cool enough for you guys, because I still liked it. Now, I'm 92% sure that if I was catless, I would be shooting flames. But your boy's not catless. Actually, I probably need the 85 too, but your boy's not catless, your boy's not running 85, your boy's pretty lame. But you know, you live, you learn, you do some more mods. We'll get there eventually, hopefully. The hardest part is, you know, getting inspected. Especially in Pennsylvania, they don't like to pass you if you don't have cats. So that's the one struggle I'm running into right now, is trying to find a shop that will give me stickers for my emissions, but it's real tough for me. My shop right now, they said they might do it, but depends who's working. And then, you know, that's when things get sketchy. So if I have to get my car inspected when that guy's not working, and then I can't get my car inspected until he is working, and it causes problems. Pennsylvania is a struggle. I don't understand where all these other YouTubers get all their cars inspected, and they don't have cats, and they have a bunch of illegal shit. You guys need to tell me these secrets, because I don't know what's going on with all that. So every time like I'm in that parking lot, I always pass this auto shop, and they always have like pretty decently cool cars in here. So I was like, you know what, maybe they're performance oriented. And I was like, hey, can I go catless? And he goes, yeah, no. I said, all right. So any fellow BRZ 86 FRS owners, my question to you guys, if you guys actually watch this far, is are there any like catted headers that will give me decent power gains? I definitely want new headers relatively soon whenever I can get them. But you know, I really want to go catless, but in Pennsylvania, I don't think that's going to be happening. I'm not sure what's going on when my girlfriend graduates college, if we're staying in the state or moving somewhere else. I don't really know. So if you guys know any like good catted headers, the only ones that I was really interested in was the JDL ones or the FT86 ones. The JDL ones are cheaper, and that's why they appealed to me more. I saw a lot more support for them. But the FT86 ones, I'm pretty sure I'll have an easier time tuning them in with my tablet. But you guys should definitely try to let me know, because I don't know. That wasn't by any means like a big speed bump, but I was kind of curious how high I actually am off those. Because in this neighborhood, I don't really have a problem clearing them, but other speed bumps I have a really hard time with. These ones are little. I'm still just kind of curious of like how high above them I actually am. Alright guys, this is pretty much all I really have today. I did all my errands today. I brought you guys along for my errands, even though I didn't really tell you guys what my errands were. Hopefully my car passes inspection, because the car is modified at this point, and you know how inspection places be with modified cars and shit. I hope you guys like my little romp skis, my little pop skis, my little rev skis, if you know what I'm saying, because I love the tune and I love the pops, and I hope you guys like them too. I want to get a better pop video coming soon. So I have this video coming out, I have another video coming out, and then maybe I have a third video coming out, and then I'm in Florida. So hopefully Florida brings us some good car content. We'll see what it does. There's a lot of car shows out there, so hopefully I get some more of those involved with my videos and stuff. I don't know how I was going with that. But guys, comment, like, subscribe. Please share my videos. We need to get that watch time up. My watch time on my last two videos were great. We need to keep going up. We can't just stop going up. We gotta keep going up. So if you guys can keep watching my videos, comment, like, subscribe, make sure you share. Keep doing you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.